everyone, it's Gina. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to store your holiday lights tangle-free using things you may already have around your house. And number 3 you will be very surprised about. And at the end of the video, I'm also going to show you another reused item to store your fairy lights. So let's get started.
The first idea is to use wrapping paper rolls to store your lights.
With some wrapping paper, you can just pull the roll right out and use it for your lights.
Make a cut into the end of the wrapping paper tube. Fit the wire into the cut and put the plug on the inside of the tube. Wrap the wire around the tube. Make a cut at the other end of the tube to secure. Now you have perfectly wrapped lights that are easy to store. The second idea is to cut flaps off of a reused cardboard box. Cut notches into the top and each side of the cardboard. Use the top notch to secure the plug, and use the side notches to secure the wire. Wrap the lights around the cardboard. Secure the ends with the notches. This is a great way to store holiday lights, and who doesn't have extra boxes laying around? The third idea is to use a fast food drink carrier. These work so well because sometimes they are doubled up, they're very sturdy, they have holes to put the plugs in, and the bottom is ridged so you can hold all the lights. Wrap the lights around the drink carrier and secure the plug inside one of the holes. I love this idea. It's so easy to do and easy to store. The fourth idea is how I store my fairy lights with a paper towel tube. Use the same method as you did with the wrapping paper roll. Because the tubes are small, they're so easy to store. You can also use a smaller roll for more delicate fairy lights. I use this method for all of my lights because they tangle so easily. I hope you liked my ideas on how to store holiday lights and fairy lights using reused materials. Thanks for watching. Bye!